Hey gang, what's up? I've got today. Thank God I've got today. Today I have 2018 Bowman's Best Hobby Box. 4 chrome autographs per master. 2 mini boxes, 6 packs per mini box, 5 cards per pack. Did you catch all that? I'm not sure I did. Basically same type setup as you've seen in other years, with the 2 little mini boxes and 2 autographs in each of those. Hoping for obviously some good rookies, some good autographs, some good refractors. That would be very nice. Right now this is the only box of this I've ordered. I'm gonna check it out and decide where to go next. Typically I like Bowman's Best. I just busted some Bowman Draft. I may end up liking this better. I'll probably get another box of one or the other, but I wanted to open both before I made that decision. I think I did okay with Bowman Draft, but I usually have more luck. I know some people don't really believe in luck, but I do when it comes to cards. I typically have more luck with Bowman's Best than I do Bowman Draft or Bowman regular, Bowman Chrome. I'll go ahead and pull out the other packs. The other mini. Keep them separate though, so I know how I'm looking with my autos. Alright. That was that one. This was this one. And let's go. So I guess that's the base card. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. So that's a nice start. Bryce Harper. So there is I guess the difference between a prospect and a vet. Clint Frazier rookie. Or not. Why does this look so different? That's funny. Oh, this says TP1. So a top prospect one, I guess. Nick Schnell is the first autograph, and then an Aaron Judge refractor. What was that? Oh, that wiped off. Huh. Nick Schnell. I don't know Nick Schnell. Moving on. Alex Verdugo rookie. Scott Kingery rookie. Alec Baum. So that's top prospect 8. Best performers, Gleyber Torres. This reminds me of insert set from I think 99. That's a cool card. And a Jonathan India refractor. These look good. Next up, Ryan Weathers. Brendan McKay. Early indications, Keston and power producer Shohei Ohtani. Good looking Ohtani there. Logan Gilbert refractor. 2 more packs in this mini box. Alec Thomas, Jose Altuve, George Springer, Noah Naylor on card. Refractor auto. That is not numbered. And a Tristan Casas top prospect refractor. Oh wait, there's 2 more packs to go. So there was 3 total. So yay, more than I thought. Dustin Fowler rookie. Clayton Kershaw. Anthony Rizzo. Jared Kelenic. Best performers, and Mike Soroka rookie refractor. So still a couple of the top rookies haven't shown up yet to the party. Jacob deGrom, Victor Robles, rookie. Nick Madrigal. Chris Davis looks to be atomic, I guess. Yeah, don't drop it. Not numbered. And a Walker Buehler rookie refractor. So that is mini box number 1. I'd say it's pretty average. Maybe even a little below. A couple of good prospects in there, but nothing too right home about. Logan Gilbert, Tristan Casas, Mike Soroka, rookie. Power producers, Vlad Guerrero Jr. and Harrison Bader, rookie refractor. Trey Turner, Jonathan India again. That's the second one of those. Best performers, Greg Maddux. Early indications, Mackenzie Gore. And Craig Kimbrell refractor. Taylor Trammell, Brendan Rodgers. Matthew Liberatore is my first autograph. It's not bad. Kyle Tucker, number /10. So that is a super short print, red, 6/10. Nice. Eloy Jimenez, refractor. Kyle Tucker again, but not numbered /10. Jimenez again. Early indications, Brandon Marsh. A Devers, what is this? Neophyte Sensations. First one of those. And a Kyle Tucker refractor. This is a Kyle Tucker box. There is Kyle Tucker just spilling out of every pack. 2 packs left. Should have one more auto. Another Harrison Bader. Definitely getting some dupes here. Verlander, Arenado, Connor Scott, best performers, and Arenado refractor. And this should be our last auto, hopefully. Walker Buehler again. Aaron Judge again. Craig Kimbrell. And it is, oh, an Acuna on card, gold autograph /50. And then another Verlander. So that just made that box. Wow. That is a sweet pull. So, Merry Christmas to me. Wow. That is gorgeous. Woo! I said Bowman's Best has been good to me. I wasn't joking. Wow. Alright. Well, thanks for watching that break, guys. As I mentioned, it is Christmas. I don't know if I'll be posting this on Christmas Day, but if I don't, Merry Christmas to you and yours. Hope you had a great Christmas or are having a great Christmas. I'm going to try to get this up tomorrow during the day, but obviously with it being Christmas and family coming over, it might be tough to do. But either way, I hope you guys have a great one or had a great one, and I will be back with another break soon.